Hello, my name is Rodrigo, and I'm a business consultant at Vendavo. So if we think about challenges that I have seen or I have come across when implementing new pricing technology, I think about quite a few. I think that the first one and more obvious perhaps is that, having a holistic willingness to transform. And typically sometimes organizations are not fully committed from the very top. So I think that getting executive alignment early on is fundamental, is key. Having the right people on board, having them motivated and incented to make change happen is definitely critical. Another challenge I would say is perhaps not having a really clear definitions on what the pricing function is besides, let's say, what the pricing output is. Have a good understanding of what the pricing function, the benefit of the pricing function can bring to the table. Third, obviously going to be data readiness. If we think about more sophisticated organizations that evolve or want to undertake pricing transformation, they definitely should start considering their data readiness. The other challenge, I would say, that's alignment in scope and expectations. Sometimes organizations try to do too much all at once. And we know that that is a recipe for disaster, or at least for a recipe for a very expensive and lengthy project. And we want to avoid all that. These efforts are truly transformational in essence, and by definition, there's going to be a lot of uncomfortable situations. So having a culture that is based on openness and trust, having frequent communication, good relationship, expecting always the best from everybody, and also held each other accountable for the type of deliverables, efforts that need to happen along the way within the process, it is key. And then last one, obviously, I would say that choosing the wrong partner, choosing the wrong technology vendor. I think that forcing vendors into tight timelines, with unreasonable requirements, a whole bunch of questions that are not realistic for future vision and limiting the access, in this case of technology partners, to the organization is a quick way to have a failing pricing project. So I would say that being able to allow for both organizations to know each other, to engage at the different levels, being able to make sure that executives are aligned from the very beginning has proven to be one of the key success elements I have seen in my career.